Yo, hey guys, welcome back to my channel once again. So if you're new, you're definitely welcome. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and all those good stuff. So today, guys, I've been seeing this style on people, and one of my favorite YouTubers, Glamazon Tay, pulled it off in a wig. Like, guys, see, I love everything about her, and luckily for me, I had exactly the kind of wig that she used, or exactly the design of wig that she used. I guess mine is just fuller and more, but yeah, that doesn't matter. I'll still use this one. So I actually wanted to try doing the style first, then if I succeed I will loosen it and then film it. But you know what, I was like, see, we're all prone to making mistakes. Anybody can make mistakes. So I'm going to do this straight up for the first time on YouTube. I've already been able to bring out the essential lines. I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, there are lines in between all these. They are going to turn into dope braids. But yeah, you can see the lines, very neat and all that, which are going to turn into braids. I'm going to show you guys this side of the lines on camera. You grab of me doing the lines for this side on camera, but then I already done these lines and held them down. So I'm going to braid them, then this will be the side I'll show you guys on camera. So you can't afford to miss this. You can't afford to miss this, guys. So let me go ahead and let me do it. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm here and I actually would have started since, but I was trying to do a little surgery here for my lace. But anyway, this is my wax stick. I don't know why the line I created keeps joining together. So yeah. So I'm done with this side. As you all can see, I'm done with this side. So I brought out these few baby hairs. So now let's go to this side. So first of all, you of course need your tail comb. And yeah, I felt like I should make the patterns with the hair dry because I want to be able to get the patterns correctly. There's a way having wet hair doesn't really give you the correct measurement. So we did 1 2 3 4 5 6, so 6 braids. So 6 is supposed to be here. You make your line very straight. So I'm just going to spray it just by the tips, because if you end up spraying it on the whole body, the hair is going to be too slippery and you're not going to get any nice braids. So yeah, just at the tips. Just braid like 3 steps back when you're done with everyone. So this is one of the reasons why I don't fix nails anymore. I use press-on mostly. Like, you guys will see by the time I'm ending this video, you're gonna be wondering how my nails changed. So yeah, that's because I experienced one customer one time when she came and she was like, oh, I want to do some cornrows on my hair and all that, and I was struggling. I don't know if you guys know the real version of struggling, but I was struggling as hell. And I was like, oh, don't worry, yeah, I'm going to do it. Meanwhile, I was going through heart attack at that point. I was like, what am I going to do? So yeah, maybe I just don't know how to braid with nails on. So some people do know how to do that. I'm unfortunately not one of them. So I think I'm going to be carrying this style on my lace for a minute, because it's, even just imagining it is so fine already. You know, I am one person that really hates frontals without any baby hairs. But you know, some people will always make you feel like, oh, maybe you just don't know how to style hair. That's why you're putting a lot of baby hairs. And I'm like I would have some frontals, and then when I wear them, I want to like cut out my baby hairs so that people will not feel like, oh, maybe. But then I just realized that honestly, frontals without baby hairs don't ever interest me. Like, they're fucking ugly in real life. You know, you see them online and they're looking all cute, but they're really ugly. To me though, real life, you know, I feel like baby hairs is what makes it look as natural as possible. So guys, I know this one has some kind of like zigzag. I know I really like this. You guys will see when I'm installing it, because this place really comes forward, and if I followed it through, meaning the braid will look really wobbly. So yeah, we're here now. So we are done. Honestly, I feel like I'm going to be doing a lot of braid styles. Okay guys, so sorry for the breaking transmission, but ooh, just take a look at us. Take a look at us. Take a look at us. I can't even wait to get this on my hair. I'm so sad that I don't have enough baby hairs, but I'm going to reventilate baby hairs there though. So this is the hair. This is a hair you can get from my page, Gatsby's Wigs. It's about 255,000 naira. This is a 26-inch curls. Super double drawn, that's why it's this big, but you can get it for cheaper money in single drawn though. But yeah, let's now go and moment of truth, install the hair on our head. Alright guys, so I'm actually done with the whole braiding as you guys saw, and right now I'm about to install my hair. This is what it looks like. I really don't know why every day I decide to film. It tends to rain and all, so anyway, I wanted to use my camera to film this part, but you know, why not just continue with what I started with? So I'm going to go in with this gel first. You guys, I'm going to of course be using Gatsby's products. So what you guys are seeing here, me using here, are just the sample products. So that's why you cannot see. Now I've been showing you guys, but of course I have to start disturbing you guys now until they come. So yeah, I'm using a very big baby hair technique, even though I'm not going to make it as because hers she did some dramatic some whole dramatic thing going on, but I'm not really going to be all that. Guys, so honestly, this baby hairs can just hold the hair with the kind of glue I use, but I'm just going to put, of course, our Gatsby's holding spray. It's so unfortunate that this holding spray is going to be coming just very few pieces, just very few pieces, but you should just be holding on. You should already be following us on Instagram, Gatsby's Hair Care, so that once we say that they are available, you would rush and shop. Because honestly, I don't use any glue on my hair. I think this is very nice for all those people that don't want to, they want to carry a very slayed hair, but they really don't need it to be installed and all that. So yes, so let me go ahead. While we're waiting for this, I'm just quickly going to do a very quick makeup and come and show you guys. So guys, I went ahead and I did my makeup. I really don't know if you guys are seeing it as nice as it's supposed to be. I'm just going to bottom yes. So we're gonna spray this. So guys, let me shift from this light so you guys can get a better look. Ooh. So this is the hair. Let's get to another light. Okay, yeah, I think I prefer this light. Let me put up that one. 1 second. Oh yeah, I prefer this. So guys, this is the final look for this video, and I know it's not all the best quality of video you can get, but just take a look. So I have come to the end of this video, and tell me if this is something you would want to try out. I like it. I don't know if you like it, but I really absolutely love it. See you guys in my next video. Bye.